Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem Brave Rewards. Okay, let's say you have enabled Brave Rewards right here at the top right. And as you can see, we now have, in my case, I have 4 ads watched. Okay, so actually, when you go ahead and connect one of your wallets right here or Solana wallets, your earned BAT, okay, or BAT will be automatically sent or will be sent directly to the Solana wallet that you have connected. And that is, okay, usually around the 7th of the month. For example, January 7, February 7, it will be automatically sent to the wallet that is connected to your Brave Rewards account. So just make sure that you have connected one of your accounts right here. It could be Uphold, Brave, or Solana. Okay, right here, Brave Wallet, or even Phantom. And as you can see here, I'm currently creating my Brave Wallet. And here I have my wallet, okay? So again, it will be sent by the 7th of each month. All right. And that is it. And if you want to go ahead and bookmark your wallet for easy access, hit on done right here. So whenever you wanted to check your Brave Rewards, you can just go ahead and check it out right here. And to redeem it, of course, you can just go ahead and click on send right here. Choose an asset. Of course, choose your BAT and then choose the recipient right here. Okay. Recipient could be your Solana wallet. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.